Imagine sipping an ice-cold soda, cocktail, or smoothie with that perfect, crunchy, chewable nugget ice you'd find at your favorite restaurant. Now, picture having that same delightful ice at home, ready in just 15 minutes, without the hassle of running to the store or dealing with clunky ice trays. This Frigidaire Countertop Crunchy Chewable Nugget Ice Maker, EFIC 228_AMZ, makes this dream a reality. This compact, stylish, and high-performing machine is a game-changer for ice lovers, delivering restaurant-quality nugget ice right to your kitchen, campsite, or tailgate. In this in-depth review, we'll explore why this ice maker is a must-have for every household, breaking down its features, benefits, and why it's perfect for elevating your beverage game. The problem: no more settling for subpar ice. Let's face it, standard ice cubes just don't cut it for true ice enthusiasts. They're bulky, melt too quickly, and dilute your drinks, leaving you with a watered-down mess. Crushed ice from a blender? Too inconsistent and often too hard to chew. Trips to fast food chains for that coveted Sonic-style nugget ice are inconvenient and costly. And don't get me started on the frustration of constantly refilling ice trays or dealing with a freezer that can't keep up with your ice demands during parties or hot summer days. The Frigidaire Countertop Nugget Ice Maker solves these pain points by delivering soft, chewable, restaurant-quality ice in minutes, right from your countertop, with no water hookup required. Why the Frigidaire Nugget Ice Maker stands out. The Frigidaire Countertop Crunchy Chewable Nugget Ice Maker is a sleek, metallic finished appliance designed to blend style and functionality. With a compact footprint, it fits effortlessly on any countertop, making it ideal for small kitchens, apartments, or even outdoor adventures like camping or tailgating. Producing up to 33 pounds of ice per day and holding 3 pounds at a time, this powerhouse ensures you're never short on ice, whether you're hosting a barbecue or enjoying a quiet night in. Its automatic water recycling system reuses melted ice water, keeping the ice-making process efficient and eco-friendly. Plus, its plug-and-play design means you can start making ice without complicated setups. Just fill the reservoir, plug it in, and enjoy. Key benefits of the Frigidaire Nugget Ice Maker. Restaurant-quality ice at home. Produces soft, crunchy, chewable nugget ice that's perfect for sodas, cocktails, smoothies, or even snacking. Say goodbye to hard, flavorless cubes that ruin your drinks. Lightning-fast ice production. Delivers your first batch of nugget ice in just 10 to 15 minutes, with a high-capacity output of 33 pounds per day, ensuring you're always ready for guests or impromptu gatherings. Portable and user-friendly design. Compact and lightweight, it plugs into any standard 115V outlet with no water hookup needed, making it perfect for home, camping, or tailgating. The intuitive design is a breeze to use, perfect for who needs this ice maker. The Frigidaire Nugget Ice Maker is a dream come true for ice enthusiasts. If you're obsessed with the soft, chewable nugget ice from restaurants like Sonic or Chick-fil-A, this machine brings that experience home. Entertainers and hosts. Perfect for anyone who loves throwing parties, barbecues, or game nights and needs a steady supply of ice to keep drinks flowing. Outdoor adventurers. Campers, tailgaters, or RV travelers will appreciate its portability and ability to produce ice without a water line. Small space dwellers. Apartment residents or those with compact kitchens will love its sleek, countertop-friendly design that doesn't sacrifice performance. Health-conscious snackers. If you enjoy chewing ice as a low-calorie, refreshing snack, this machine delivers the perfect texture every time. A closer look. Features that make it shine. The Frigidaire Countertop Nugget Ice Maker isn't just about ice. It's about elevating your entire beverage experience. Here's a detailed breakdown of its standout features. Elegant, space-saving design. With a metallic finish and compact dimensions, 11.65 inches by 16.93 inches by 20.87 inches. This ice maker adds a touch of sophistication to any kitchen or bar area. It's designed to fit under standard cabinets, making it ideal for small spaces. High ice output. Produces up to 33 pounds of ice daily, with a 3-pound storage bin to keep your drinks chilled. Whether you're hosting a crowd or enjoying a solo drink, you'll never run out. Quick ice production. Get your first nuggets in just 10 to 15 minutes, perfect for last-minute gatherings or when you're craving a cold drink ASAP. No water hookup needed. Simply fill the reservoir with water, plug it into a standard outlet, and you're ready to go. This makes it incredibly versatile for home or on-the-go use. Automatic water recycling. As ice melts, the water returns to the reservoir to be refrozen, reducing waste and ensuring a continuous supply of fresh ice. Portable for any adventure. Take it to your next camping trip, tailgate, or outdoor event. Its lightweight design and plug-in functionality make it a go-anywhere ice solution. Easy maintenance. The machine operates within a temperature range of 50 to 104 degrees Fahrenheit, and its simple design makes cleaning straightforward. Just transfer ice to your freezer to prevent melting, as it's not designed for long-term storage. Real-world performance. Does it deliver? After testing the Frigidaire Nugget ice maker, I can confidently say it lives up to the hype. The ice it produces is the perfect balance of soft and crunchy, melting slowly to keep drinks cold without diluting them. I was impressed by how quickly it churns out ice. Within 15 minutes of setup, I had a handful of nuggets ready for my iced coffee. The machine is a bit noisy when actively making ice, but the sound is comparable to a low hum or white noise, which blends into the background after a while. For those sensitive to noise, placing it in a less trafficked area of the kitchen might help. Point one thing to note. This ice maker is designed for production, not storage. If you don't transfer the ice to a freezer, it will melt and recycle back into the reservoir, which is great for efficiency but means you'll need a plan for storing excess ice during big events. I found that keeping a few freezer-safe containers handy solved this issue easily. The lack of a water hookup is a huge plus, especially for renters or those without access to a dedicated water line. It's also a lifesaver for outdoor settings, where I took it for a tailgate and had ice ready for cocktails in no time. Comparing the competition. How does the Frigidaire stack up against other nugget ice makers? Compared to high-end models like the GE Profile Opal 2.0, the Frigidaire is more affordable while still delivering comparable ice quality. It lacks some bells and whistles like Wi-Fi connectivity or a larger water tank, but its simplicity and price point make it a fantastic value. Budget models like the Uhami or Antarctic Star are cheaper but often have smaller bins and slower production rates. The Frigidaire strikes a sweet spot for those who want quality and convenience without breaking the bank. Addressing common concerns. Some users report that countertop ice makers can be noisy or prone to mold if not maintained properly. The Frigidaire's noise level is noticeable but not disruptive, especially in a busy kitchen. To prevent mold, I recommend cleaning the reservoir weekly with a mild bleach solution and using distilled water to minimize mineral buildup. While some reviews mention durability issues with similar models, Frigidaire's reputation as a trusted brand and its 1-year warranty provide peace of mind. If purchased from retailers like Costco, you may also benefit from generous return policies. Why you should buy now? The Frigidaire Countertop Nugget ice maker is more than just an appliance. It's a lifestyle upgrade. Whether you're a cocktail connoisseur, a soda sipper, or an ice-chewing enthusiast, this machine delivers the crunchy, chewable ice you crave without the hassle. Its compact design, rapid ice production, and portability make it a versatile addition to any home or adventure. Plus, its affordability compared to premium models means you're getting restaurant-quality ice at a fraction of the cost. Don't settle for boring ice cubes or expensive store-bought bags. Bring the magic of Nugget Ice home today. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.